Hi everyone, I'm Sumanth. So in this video, I'm not going to explaining about any technical things. The main intention of creating this video is what are all the things that you can just expect from my channel in this new year, like in 2022. So that's what I'm just going to explain you. So before that, I just want to say a happy new year to you all. So yeah, so with that, let's start this video. So I just planned in a proper way. Actually, if you are just following my channel from the past 6 months, you can just see I'm just uploading Python videos and ML videos around like past 1 month. I'm just creating some technical videos, right? If you can see, I've just creating videos on like what are the best channels where you can just learn Python, and what are the best websites where you can just practice Python, right? I'm just creating such kind of technical videos as well, apart from this concept oriented videos. So now in 2022, what I'm just planning to do is apart from these videos, right, I will just continue this what I'm just currently doing. So apart from this, I just want to do some more thing. First one is I just want to upload more projects also. So if you can see my videos, I have explained more theoretical way, right? So it won't be helpful. So if you just learn any concept, you just want to learn that in a practical manner, and also I'll just explain you how you can just implement that in end to end, right, from doing the project to a deployment part. So I will just do that, and that's the first thing, right, implementing uploading project videos. And the second thing is if you can see my first video, I'll just explain you that I'm just creating videos on AI, right? So now in this year, what I'm just planning to do is, so not only AI, I'm just planning to create videos on many other fields as well, like web development, Android development, and as well as blockchain and graphic designing, all technologies, all skills on all the topics. I'm just trying to create videos. Honest to say, I'm not good at all those things, but I will just have a conversation with the guys who are just doing good at those fields. So I will just call them and we'll have a discussion, so that you can just learn, right? You can just learn what's the roadmap for those technologies and what's the current technologies, and you can just learn all those things. So it's like an podcast kind of things, and I'm just planning to do that as well. And apart from these two, I will just continue these videos, right? I will just continue the videos on AI as well. Like I just uploaded videos on, up to now I just uploaded videos on Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and in the future I will just try to make videos on statistics and also linear algebra and machine learning and deep learning. So, and like in deep learning, I'll just create videos on computer vision, NLP, all those things. So these are all the things. So these are all the things that you can just expect from this channel in 2022. So apart from this, like even if I have any updates, like if I'm just doing any other things, I will just update you through the community tab. And so if you have any other things, like if you just want me to make some other kind of videos, so some other technical kind of videos, or if you just want to learn some other things, just feel free to comment down below. I will just try my best to do that. So that's it for this video. So with that, so I will just see you all in the next video, and once again, happy new year, and thanks for watching this video.